You'll probably agree that Excel pivot tables make it really easy to analyze a lot of data quickly. Now, in case you aren't familiar with pivot tables, I have a video that gets you started in 10 minutes. But before you jump there, make sure you watch this video just so you get to see how cool pivot tables really are. Now, the first pivot table feature that many ignore is recommended pivot tables. This feature makes it really easy and super fast to get started with your first pivot table. So over here in Excel, I have this marketing data set. We have the date, campaign name, responsible person, the location these campaigns were running, impressions, clicks, units sold, and ad spend. So we have 150 rows of data. This is formatted as an official Excel table called marketing data. To get started with my first pivot table, all I need to do is go to Insert and select Recommended Pivot Tables because I might already find what I need right here. On the side,